do you do when you wake up on the wrong side of bed? You see, every day is not the same, and I beg you don't make them the same. Some days are great, other days are just good. But when you wake up on a good day that seems to look bad, and everything seems to be falling apart right from the start, your body aches, your mind is not in shape, and you don't feel like going to work, you just feel like going back to bed. What do you do? Well, I think I'm asking the wrong question. The right question, when you wake up on the wrong side of bed and everything seems to be falling apart right from the start, is not what do you do, but what do you want? You see, every day and every time you have to always know and decide what you want. What you want out of the minute, what you want out of the moment, and what you want ultimately out of life. You see, that's the most important question you can ever ask yourself in any negative situation. So having said all that, I'll quickly let out the strategy I'm fixed to share with you today. Yes, it's a strategy. It's not steps. I'm not going to give 10 or 20 steps on what to do when you wake up on the wrong side of bed, right? Now, there's not a law. It's just my strategy for handling the negative situation. So when I wake up on the wrong side of bed and I've made up my mind that what I want is a great day, I reach into my bag and I pull out my script. So what's in the script? The script is my plan for a great day, right? Strange. Now, if I meet you and I require of you your plan for a great day, can you reach into your bag and show me a detailed plan for having a great day? You see, if you don't have a plan for a great day, then you're probably going to get on with whatever the day brings, right? Good or bad. So I ask you this question. What should a great day possibly look like for you? Write it down. Hey, thanks for listening, and I hope you grabbed the lesson from today's podcast. See you in the next episode. Make it happen.